Yes, today my topic is exercise 8.4, question number 5th, second part. Question number 5th, second part. Open your book. Okay. Now second part, cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Now we have to prove it, that is equal to twice of sec A. Twice of sec A. Now we will take left hand side. Your left hand side is cos A 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A, that is cos of A. Now we will prove it is equal to twice of sec A. Twice of sec A. Any idea in the class? What step we will use? Any idea? Yes, sure. Yes. LCM. Yes. So I am saying that first of all we will take LCM. Yes, Swam is correct or wrong?
Correct.
Okay. Yes. First of all, please switch on your camera. Switch on your cameras. अरे स्कूल में नहीं आ सकते, कम से कम कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हो अपना. Please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Yes. Take the LCM. That is 1 plus sin A and cos A. Okay. Now 1 plus sin A cos A divided by 1 plus sin A. What will be the left? What will be the left? Cos A. Yes. Cos A. Cos A multiplied to cos A. Cos square A. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Now 1 plus sin A cos A divided by cos A.
1 plus sin A sin A.
1 plus sin A.
Square plus sin square.
Yes, 1 plus sin A whole square. Yes. Harshvardhan. Next step, please. Next step. Srini. Next step. अब बताइए क्या हो सकता है, वो मैं अपना लिख लूंगा. आप ये बताइए स्टेप में क्या हो सकता है. 1 प्लस साइन ए होल स्क्वायर क्या करें इसका? नहीं. यस.
सर cos स्क्वायर को हम लोग 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर ए लिखेंगे सर, और 1 प्लस sin स्क्वायर ए को स्क्वायर इन करेंगे होल स्क्वायर को लिखेंगे.
A plus b. Yes. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. We will apply the identity A plus b whole square. Okay.
Yes.
Cos square A. 1 plus sin A whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2. What is A?
1
B.
sin A.
Yes. Yes. 1 plus sin A. That is your cos A. identity we have applied here. A plus b whole square. Okay. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Any problem? Yes. Now it becomes, after applying identity a plus b whole square, it becomes cos square a plus 1 plus sin square a plus 2 sin a. And 1 plus sin a. And next is cos a. Yes. Piyush Singh, what will the next step? Yes, try your best. What will be the next step? Kashish, what will be the next step? Please tell me.
So we have to take the value now, like 1 plus 9 is given, we will take the value of 1 plus 9.
Yes.
Sir, here cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1.
Yes, very good. Now we close the cos square a plus sin square a. Cos square a plus sin square a plus 1 plus 2 sin a. Okay? 1 plus sin a. And that is cos a. Yes. Ansika Bhatt, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes. What is sin square a plus cos square a?
That's
1. Very good. Now cos square a plus sin square a, that is 1. Okay? It becomes 1.
Yes.
1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a. Now it becomes 1 plus sin a.
That's the cos.
1 plus sin a and cos a. Okay? In next step, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin a, and it becomes 1 plus sin a
Bracket cos.
by bracket cos a. Yes. Now Srini, it means 2 as a common factor. 2 as a common factor.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Srini is saying that 2 as a common factor. We will take 2 as a common factor. Okay? Kritika Singh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You're right.
Now 2 as a common factor. 2 as a common factor, it becomes 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a, that is cos a, and 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a cancel out, it becomes 2 by cos a and 1 by cos a sec a,
Yes, sir.
that is
1
twice of sec a, twice of
sec
sec
A.
a. Hands proved. Hands proved. Any doubt, any problems? No problems?
No, sir.
Okay, do it fast. Do it fast. Any doubt? Any problems? Yes, question number 5. third part. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta one minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Cosec theta. Okay. Now we will take the left hand side and we will prove it is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Okay. Left hand side. Each and every question is very important. That is tan theta 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta. Yes, Kashish. Which step will you use to solve these questions? Please tell me. Any step? आप बता दीजिए बस.
Sir, I will be converting this like tan theta and cot theta which are given into sine and
cos. Very good. बस let's sit down. First of all, we will change tan theta cot theta into sin theta cos theta. Okay. First of all, we will change into sin theta and cos theta. And as you know, the relation that is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Sin theta by cos theta. Yes. And cot theta is yes, cos theta by sin theta. Very good. Cos theta by
Sin theta.
sin theta. Okay? Plus same as it is cot theta. Cot theta can be written as
Cos theta upon sin theta.
cos theta by sin theta. Okay? Yes. 1 minus tan theta can be written as
Sin theta by cos theta.
sin theta by cos theta. Okay? Now we will take the LCM.
Yes.
The numerator same as it is. Take the LCM of denominator. Sin theta by cos theta as it is. Take the LCM, that is sin theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Any doubt, any problems? Sin theta, it will be multiplied here. Okay, you can written 1 by 1. It can also be written by 1 by 1. Any doubt, any problem in this step? Plus yes, cos theta by sin theta. Yes, LCM is your cos theta minus sin theta. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Sydney, what step will you use?
So, you will put in the LCM of sin theta.
LCM तो लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, LCM क्या लेंगे? LCM तो हो चुका है. Yes, Swasti.
So, you will multiply sin theta.
Reciprocal.
Yes.
Reciprocal.
Yes.
Reciprocal.
Yes.
Yes.
Then
Okay.
it will be cancelled.
Reciprocal. Okay. Yes. Now it becomes sin theta by cos theta and reciprocal of it. Sin theta,
Sin minus cos. Sin by cos.
sin theta minus
Sin. Cos theta.
cos theta. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Now plus cos theta by sin theta, same as it is in the next step. That is cos theta
Upon cos theta minus.
minus sin theta. Yes. Any doubt, any problems? Yes. Anshika Bhatt, Rinki, Aditya Singh, Arpit Kumar Misra. Any doubt, any problems?
No.
In online class, only 3 students present the class. In online class, only 4 students present the class. Where are the remaining students? I am saying you again and again, please switch on your camera. Why? Yes. देखिए आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप sin थीटा into sin थीटा
Science part.
sin square थीटा and cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus it becomes cos square theta sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Now science part.
Okay. Yes. Listen to me. Listen to me. Here is sin theta minus cos theta. Here is cos theta minus sin theta. Yes. Swasti, you are correct. We'll take minus as a common factor. If we will take minus as a common factor, it becomes sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Why will take minus as a common factor? Because here sin theta minus cos theta. Here is cos theta minus sin theta. If we will take minus as a common factor, it will become sin theta minus cos theta. So it will become sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta.
Yes.
Same. Okay. Yes. Now sin square theta, cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Take as minus as a common factor. ठीक है?
Yes.
Cos square theta. Yes, sin theta. It becomes sin theta minus cos theta. Yes, Kritika Singh, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes. Just please tell me that in this step cos theta minus sin theta, but in this step
So you
it becomes sin theta minus cos theta. Why?
Sir, what is it?
Yes, I am asking to you that in this step cos theta minus sin theta, but in next step it becomes sin theta minus cos theta. Why? Anshika Bhatt.
Sir, because minus is taken from.
Yes, minus taking as a common factor.
Yes.
Shreyas Singh, any doubt? Subham, Piyush Singh, any doubt, any problems? Harshvardhan, any doubt, any problems? No problem? Okay. Yes. Now we will take a LCM. We will take the LCM. Yes, Piyush Singh, what will the LCM? जो कॉमन है इसमें और इसमें जो कॉमन है उसको एक बार लिखेंगे, ठीक है, और जो बाकी बच गया उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे.
So cos theta and sin theta will be multiplied.
या
And sin theta minus cos theta minus
एज ए कॉमन, ठीक है, ठीक है. यस, नेक्स्ट स्टेप लिखा. ओके, प्लीज डू इट फास्ट, डू इट फास्ट. Your last step was sin square theta. क्या था? cos theta जो
Yes, yes. Cos
Cos theta.
theta sin theta minus cos.
cos theta break is sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta
upon sin theta,
sin theta
then bracket sin theta.
sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now we will take the LCM. So LCM will sin theta cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Okay.
Yes.
Now this is your LCM. This LCM is divided by cos theta bracket sin theta minus cos theta. What is left now?
Sin theta.
Sin theta. Sin theta multiplied to sin square theta.
Sin theta.
Sin cube theta.
Thank you.
Yes. I am observing that the student present in offline class is more active than student present in online class. You are not responding me. Please be active in the class. Yes. Now sin theta cos theta bracket sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta bracket sin theta minus cos theta. What is left now?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Cos theta multiplied cos square theta. Cos cube theta. Yes. Rinky, what is the identity of AQ minus BQ? What is algebraical identity of AQ minus BQ? अर्पित कुमार मिश्रा। AQ minus BQ. A प्लस होगा ही नहीं। देखिए यहाँ पे A minus B. You have already done chapter number 4 quadratic equation. I have already discussed that formula in the previous class. Okay.
Sir, it will be AQ minus BQ minus 3.
नहीं, wrong.
B in
Wrong. A minus B, A square plus AB, A square plus B square plus AB. कैसे करना? नहीं प्रॉब्लम ना है।
Yes. सर वो बता रहे सॉल्व करने के बाद ये करते हैं। हाँ सर। सर उससे फर्दर सिंपलीफाई करते हैं हमारे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड।
Yes. Solve it. Now A minus B, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay.
Yes sir.
A square sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. Okay.
Yes sir.
Yes. Sin theta cos theta.
It will be done.
Sin theta minus cos theta. इसके रहते हैं यहाँ पे
Yes sir.
sin theta minus cos theta. It becomes cancel out. Okay. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. It becomes 1 plus sin theta cos theta. And in denominator sin theta cos theta left out. Okay.
Yes. So sir will
Now
sin
1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Cancel out. 1 by sin theta.
Sir cos sec theta.
Cosec theta
And sec theta. Plus 1.
cosec theta sec theta plus 1. Okay.
Yes sir.
Cosec theta plus sec theta plus 1. That is left hand side is equal to right hand side. that is equal to 1 plus cosec theta
sec theta.
sec theta. Okay, hence 2. Any doubt, any problems?
No. No, sir.
1 plus sec A sec A divided by sec A. Okay,
Yes.
is equal to sin square A 1 minus cos A. We'll take left hand side, and in this question we will take the left hand side as well as right hand side.
Right. So we'll simplify both the sides
Yes.
and then.
First of all, we'll simplify the left hand side. Simplify it. 1 plus sec A
Upon second.
sec A. Okay, sec A 1 by cos A and 1 by cos A. Okay,
Yes, yes.
now take the LCM. Take the LCM.
So, sir, it will be cos A.
Cos A,
Yes, sir.
it becomes cos A plus 1. Okay, ये cos क्या इसे मल्टीप्लाई हो गया यहाँ पे
Yes, sir.
plus 1 cos A. Okay, now it becomes 1 by cos A. Now reciprocate.
Uh,
Reciprocally.
cos A plus 1 upon cos A. So cos A cancel out. Yes, sir. Upon 1.
Cos A plus 1 cos A. Reciprocal cos A. By 1. Yes, it becomes cos A plus 1. It becomes cos A plus 1. Okay, so left hand side solved, but it is not equal to right hand side.
Yes. Sir, we
Yes, Subham,
Yes, sir.
अब ये तो इक्वल नहीं हुआ
I
नहीं
इसको अलग से लेंगे I just subtract it.
अलग से लेंगे। चल ठीक है, अच्छी बात। चलो RHS लेते हैं और इसको इक्वल करते हैं cos A plus 1 राइट हैंड साइड। यस, sin square A वन माइनस cos A. Okay,
Yes.
अर्पित कुमार मिश्रा,
Yes, sir.
which step will you take to solve this question? Next step will be sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. It becomes equal to cos A plus 1. How it becomes cos A plus 1? Cos में लेके आना इसको। श्रेयस,
So 1 minus cos square. So it can be
yes, 1 minus,
cos square.
very good, 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos A. Apply the identity square. A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B.
A minus.
Now, as you know that sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Now it becomes
1 minus cos A.
1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A.
1 minus cos A cancel out.
1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A.
Yes.
So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay.
Yes.
That is 1 plus cos A. Any doubt? Any problem? Srini, Shubham, Shreyas, Piyush Singh, Harshvardhan, Kashish, Pragati, Swasti. Any doubt? Any problems? No problems? Okay. अभी से अर्पित कुमार मिश्रा, कृतिका सिंह, आदित्य सिंह, अंशिका भाट. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
No problem? Okay. Yes. बैठे हैं सर. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 cos A plus sin A minus sin 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Okay? Yes. In right hand side cosec A cot A. In right hand side cosec A cot A. In this question we will divide the numerator and denominator either by sin A or cos A. अब मेरे को बताइए sin A से डिवाइड करें cos A से डिवाइड करें. अगर मैं इसको sin लिसन अगर मैं इसको sin A से डिवाइड करता हूँ तो cos A by sin A क्या होता है? cot होता है. cos A by sin A cot होता है. cot लेकर आना sin से ही होगा ये, क्योंकि cos A by sin A cot होता है. cot we have to take cot A. Left hand side is cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Okay. We are dividing the numerator and denominator by sin A. Why? Why we are dividing numerator and denominator by sin A? Why we are not divided by cos A? Kritika Singh.
Sir, if we divide the denominator and numerator with sin A, then it will turn into what? Cot A and
Yes.
cosec A.
Yes, very good. Or in right hand side we have to prove it cot A. Okay. So we will divide it by sin A. Okay. Yes. Now cos A dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. Dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. Okay. Divide it. Yes. Cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A and 1 by sin A. Okay. In next step, same as it is, cos A by sin A. Yes, sin A plus sin A by sin A. 1 by sin A. Okay. In first step, we have to divide numerator and denominator by sin A. Okay. Yes. Shreyas, cos A by sin A, cot E. Okay, this is cancelled out. Cos A by sin A, cot E, minus 1 and 1 by sin A, cosec A. Yes, cos A by sin A, cot A, and plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, in next step we will separate minus 1 from the last one. Yes, cot A plus cosec A minus 1 and cot A plus 1 minus cosec. Denominator is same as it is. We will place minus 1 at the end. We will place minus 1 at the end. Okay. Now, what is the relation of cosec and cot with 1? Any relation with cosec and cot with 1? Yes. Cosec square A. Yes, Swasti is saying that cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay. Now 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Yes. Now it becomes cot A plus cosec A minus cosec square A minus cot square A. Replace 1 with cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay. Now cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Yes. Now what is A square minus B square? A plus B A minus B. It becomes A square minus B square, A plus B A minus B. Okay. Cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A, cosec A cosec A cosec A minus cot A
upon cot A plus 1 minus
cot A plus same plus 1 minus cosec A. Yes. Listen, here is minus sign, minus sign, and before minus sign it is a term, and after minus sign it is also a term. Okay. What is common? माइनस के लेफ्ट में और माइनस के राइट में कुछ ऐसी टर्म है जो कॉमन।
प्लस कॉट ए
कॉट ए प्लस कोसेक है, यहाँ पे भी है, कॉट ए प्लस कोसेक है, वहाँ पे भी है। कॉमन। ओके, प्लीज नोट डाउन इट, नोट डाउन इट। नोट डाउन इट। Do it fast.